welcome you all, Center for Innovative and Skill-Based Courses under Open Learning Development Center, University of Delhi. We are here to launch the new courses on financial markets for beginners as well as practitioners. We are starting for all the peoples, either they are working in the financial markets or working in any other field. If they want to add their passive income with their active income, they all are welcome for the different courses and different licenses given by National Stock Exchange. CISBC OLDC Delhi University starting new batches of Certified Financial Market Practitioners Level 1 and Level 2. We are also launching the course on wealth management as well as the NSM series 8 and 12 as a license of NSC, plus a very interesting and very useful course for all the people in terms of personal finance, from savings to investment and personal finance management. We are launching this as a workshop for 5 days where you will understand the concept of finance as well as usage of the finance. We already completed our first batch of financial markets and students experienced a lot in terms of earning, learning, and they are emotionally connected with the market and they want to express their emotions as well as experience.
Presently I am doing trades in silver. In the long run I am seeing silver in bullish trend, but in very short duration I am seeing silver in bearish trend. Silver में मैंने अभी हाल फिलहाल सिल्वर को बेचा है और जैसे ही वो नीचे लेवल्स पे आती है तो मैं सिल्वर की वहाँ बाइंग करूँगा। सिल्वर एक ग्लोबल कमोडिटी है, ये एक इंडस्ट्रियल मेटल भी है और हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए ग्रोथ के लिए जैसे हम देखते हैं तो सिल्वर एक ऐसा मेटल है, प्रेशियस मेटल, जो मतलब इंडस्ट्रियल यूज़ एज वेल एज पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं। तो लॉन्ग रन में मैं सिल्वर को एक अच्छी ग्रोथ के लिए देख रहा हूँ। मैं अभी बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ जहाँ सिल्वर नीचे आएगी, जहाँ मैं अपनी पोजीशन बना सकूँ और फ्यूचर में लॉन्ग टारगेट के लिए इसे कैरी कर सकूँ।
As recently I have traded in NBCC. NBCC is a government sector stock of housing company, and the government is focusing on housing and real estate, and the company is doing very well. And in 1 hour chart NBCC I have seen in an inverted head and shoulder, and within a single candle after the breakout of trend line it has completed its target, and still in a long run it's a good stock.
As we talk about the financial markets hold a major importance of research in this line of work. It's just we can incur good profits and good trades with a proper research, and we can incur sometimes losses also. But we can all this do with just only the research, not with the speculations. And to get that knowledge, I have joined this course which was introduced by Delhi University, and with the great guidance with the Rohit sir and with compatibility with Delhi University, I gained all that knowledge. Right now, I can say that I am standing on a level where I can work on my own and as well as getting job opportunities in this line of financial market.
जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं डेरिवेटिव मार्केट्स बहुत रिस्की है, तो अगर हम डेरिवेटिव मार्केट में अपना रिसर्च करके चले, हम ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजीज़ का यूज़ करें तो हम अपने रिस्क को कम कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि पावर फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन का हम लोग चार्ट देख सकते हैं, हमने यहाँ पे अपनी लॉन्ग पोजीशन बनाई थी, अब यहाँ पे हमें रेजिस्टेंस शो हो रहा है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी का नाम है पुट प्रोटेक्टिव पुट, हम लोग यहाँ पुट बाय कर लेंगे और अपने रिस्क को हेज करके चलेंगे।
Right now I am trading in a short-term healthcare sector, which is a Mopan Labs. We can see in the charts that from the month of February to May, the chart is showing a double top pattern on the downside and then making a zigzag pattern of an inverted head and shoulders. Now the stock is going on an upward trend, making a scallop or a J pattern, which is showing an uptrend. Now I can say that the perspective of my market on the stock market has changed a bit. Now it's basically like a match for me and not a gamble anymore. By spending half of my time, I earned twice more than I was earning earlier. We can say that my mentor or my guide or my teacher, Dr. Rohit Arora sir, has helped me a lot, and his one-on-one teaching sessions has been stand apart. And he's making me an on holistic policies and making me concern all my doubts and clearance that has been working in the markets on the various strategies of the stock market.
So I have chosen a SCIP, Suzlon Energy, which is a mid-cap company and work in a renewable sector, as government is more focusing on a renewable sector which show company growth prospect also. So let's come to the technical part. We can see here, company stock rallies around 65 and made a high of 84. After that, company stocks corrected itself and made a double bottom on its Fibonacci level, which is very crucial level of 0.6, and also a good sign of reversal also. And today, a company stock made a good bullish candle with a good volume, which can tell us a further growth upcoming month and a year also.
And I see myself applying those skills into real marketing scenarios, and I think the classes and the course syllabus is also very good. It elaborates whatever for a beginner is required. For a beginner, it is a very elaborative course, and the teachers are very supportive, the staff is very supportive, the lab that we have been given is also very clean, and all the environment of the learning is provided. In conclusion, I would say that this course is very good for beginners level and going to advanced. I am expecting more of the advanced level in the coming classes, and I will also recommend my peers to join this for their personal financing as well as if they want a growth in their careers.
And because मुझे ज़ीरो नॉलेज है सो रिसर्च की, सो अब आई एम लाइक एट सम लेवल की यस अब मुझे पता चल रहा है कि क्या चलता है मार्केट में, क्या होता है. एंड सर बहुत अच्छे हैं, लाइक सर हमें कहते हैं कि आप 100 टाइम्स पूछो, 10 टाइम्स पूछो, एंड वो हर टाइम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दैट ही नेवर गेट्स एंग्री कि आपको ये नहीं आता, या ही नेवर मेक्स अस फील कि हमें नॉलेज नहीं है. वो हमेशा हमें बहुत मोटिवेट करते हैं, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर के साथ. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू स्टडी विद सर. वी आर ऑलवेज लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू इन अ वेरी इंटरेक्टिव वे. It's never boring with sir. So yeah, I'm very happy with the course and sir.
You have seen the experiences of all the students from our previous batch. Now I would like to invite all of you for these particular courses in terms of wealth management, personal wealth management. With the help of wealth management, you can grow your wealth as well as the wealth of the economy.